Hey guys, hope you're all doing super well. I just want to talk to you guys a bit today about something that's sort of been on my mind recently. That while I'm kind of in software development right now and have been in software development for 5 years, I don't really want to just be a software developer anymore. So, what I kind of mean by that is that I spend a lot of my time as a professional just writing code and writing unit tests for code and writing documentation for the unit tests and the code that I'm writing and just how it fits into the bigger picture of our project and just talking about stuff that I did during daily stand up. And that's kind of what I used to do when I had a job. Currently, I'm just in between jobs. I've been sort of looking for 7 months, but it's not going super well, as you can imagine. But the point is that I kind of want my career to be more than that. I don't want to just write code and unit tests and documentation all the time. I kind of want to make it so that I'm also creating things. Hence, this YouTube video and the blog that I'm working on nowadays, just under my real name. I'm gonna link it in the description once I'm done recording this video and posting it, so you'll be able to check that out as well. And those are just kinds of things that I'm up to because uh, I really still enjoy writing code and testing code and just like sharing quality and all those things, but I also want to make sure that I'm like reaching out to people and networking and making content that's valuable to them, but in the form of tutorials, in the form of just like different blog posts and just connecting with people over Discord and blogs and all those things, and just making sure that I'm not really losing touch with the human side of it. Because after all, I do write software for human beings. I want to make sure I'm connecting with people with them, connecting with people as a person as well. So that's becoming more and more of a priority to me as my career goes on. I just like get more and more experience, and I just want to make sure that it's still fun for me. It's still it just feels human and organic to do, uh, rather than just sitting in front of a computer and typing all day and just messaging people back and forth over text. I want to make sure that I'm still keeping that human touch to what I do. Uh, so yeah, just I'm writing, focusing more on like writing blog posts, such as like one that really took off a few days ago, actually 2 weeks ago, and by now just like software development has too much software in it. We just talked about how the process of writing software is kind of becoming sort of complicated more and more because of all these tools that we're using, like Docker and AI agents, various like AI chatbots, and just like different things like unit testing standards that are mandatory at certain companies. So I talked about that in that piece. I could probably link that in the description as well, along with my main blog, since it's just under the main blog. So that's just kind of what's been on my mind recently. If you've had similar experiences in your career and just want to like sort of not just write code all day and be responsible for other things like connecting with customers, making sure they're happy, connecting with other developers and just sort of understanding them on a more like emotional level, rather than just like a transactional level where you're just getting where you're both just working with each other to get a job done or make money or directly or whatever. Let me know in the comments below. And I'll look forward to talking with you all and understanding you all more as people. That's all. Have a great day.